What is my Clickbank account nickname? I'm going to be answering this question in this video. All right, so let's say you just created a Clickbank account and you want to start promoting some products. So let's say you've picked a product, Exipure, you click promote and then nickname account. What is that? How do I find it? Well, first off, boys and girls, if you want to promote products, you need to create the account nickname yourself. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So we got to go to our main page of Clickbank and then we want to go to accounts. As you can see right here, I have one account which I created a month ago. So all we have to do here is click on create a nickname. You want to select the account type. So affiliate for our case, and then you wanna type whatever you want your nickname to be. All right, so just write some random letters. It is going to tell you whether it's available or not. And after you're done with that, all you have to do is click on sign up and your account will have been created. Okay, so that is how you do it. And then after you've decided on, or after you've created your nickname, all you have to do is write your nickname right here. It is sensitive to lowercase letters. I think most nicknames are lowercase letters with lowercase letters. So just write your nickname right here and then you click on create hop link, and this is the hop link which you use to refer people, so it gets tracked, and if you make a sale you will earn a commission. All right, so that is what your account nickname is. Hope this video was useful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.